San Francisco, August 2016. Julia Grace has just been asked to build Slack's first infrastructure engineering organization. The original codebase was written in 2013 by the founders for a company assumed to grow linearly within small teams. By 2016, the adoption pattern is geometric. IBM has just rolled Slack out across its workforce. The combination of enterprise-scale load and cross-geography usage patterns is breaking the system in ways the engineering team does not yet have language for. The recurring failure mode that becomes the canonical example is the thundering herd. When message servers crash under peak West Coast morning load, clients across the globe try to reconnect simultaneously. The recovering capacity is trampled before it can stabilize. The outage cascades. The team has tried the standard moves: add capacity, tune timeouts, stagger, reconnects. Each move addresses a symptom and the next outage produces a different symptom. The team is stuck in the shape of problem where every fix surfaces the next failure mode rather than solving the underlying one. Grace's response is not to chase the surface level outage reports. It is to rebuild both the architecture, publish-subscribe model, sharded messaging tiers, asynchronous job rewrites, and the organization, 10 specialized engineers to 100 across 3 offices, in parallel. The premise of running both rebuilds at once is structural. The problem is neither purely technical nor purely organizational. It is living in the space where the two have stopped matching each other. Fixing either layer in isolation reinforces the mismatch with the other. When you have hit a problem you don't understand well enough to solve, the default instinct is to narrow, simplify the question, fix one layer at a time. Grace's move was the opposite. She widened because the existing layers had been designed against assumptions that no longer held, and fixing any one of them in isolation would have reinforced the mismatch with the others. Her own framing of the senior engineering leadership task at that scale, given in a later QCon talk, is that it becomes essentially a sales role, selling the vision and the work up, down, and across the organization. That is the only way to get permission to rebuild the system and the team at the same time. So let's go to the office and work through it.